So please, can you say me what is an absolute value of -8? If I ask you absolute value of -8, will you be able to tell me?
+8.
+8. Okay. Right. All right. Just. Right. So now the first question. Yes, Majdulin, are you there? Can you read question number 13?
Majdulin is not there.
Majdulin is not there. Okay, Dishan, you read it.
Which question?
Question, that is question number 13 here.
Dimitri is
Yes.
Dimitri buying a car. He choose option 1 to add a new sound
Okay.
system. What
Choose option 1. It is shown here, option 1. To add a new sound system to his car. Okay.
What integer represents the change from the base price of the car to its final price?
Okay. What is the base price of the car? First tell me.
Me?
The base price, what is it written here?
$700.
Okay, $700. This is the sale. Actually, they did not give us the base price, $700 here. And how about the option 1? How much it is?
1,400.
Okay. See, what is the markdown?
Mama.
$1,100. $1,100 is the markdown. And option 1, he needs to give plus $1,400 if he wants. If he wants what?
And
Who can solve this? Judy, can you try this question?
Okay.
Okay. This question I will do with you. Go with the next question. Write a situation that can be represent opposite of -42. Very easy. Yes.
+42.
Opposite of -42. What will you write?
+42. +2.
See, listen to me, girls. What is the meaning of, first of all, I will explain you what you call as question number 13. What is the meaning of markdown? The change from the base price to the final price is the markdown price. Again, listen to me. Just change from the base price. What is the base price? If you change that base price to the final price, whatever he buy for, you don't know the final price actually.
That's even the base.
Okay, that is called the markdown price. Okay, so what is the markdown price? That is a change from the base price to the final price. There is something called as final price and there is something called as base price. Okay, the change in that, imagine, like example there, when you went to buy some shoes, it is for $300. It's written there $300. That is the base price. And what is the final price? What is the final price? Maybe he gives you that for $300. $400 it was written there, that was the base price. $300 is the final price after negotiating. So what is the markdown? Markdown is the change in that.
Negative
In
1.
the base price and the final price. Like that, after bargaining or after negotiating, the change was minus 1,100.
1,100.
Did you understand what I'm trying to say? So the change was, yes, the change was minus 1,100, $1,100. Okay, minus $1,100. Now, why do I put the negative sign here? Tell me first.
Because
it's
Why do I put the negative sign?
it's less, like you take.
Because it is, yes, it is getting less.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is getting less. That's why. So did you understand this? What was the change?
Yeah.
Okay. Now go to the next question. You already told me that it is minus 42. You told me that. So actually, base price plus X. So final price is, wait a second. Let me just write here. They ask you the final price. Final price is equals to base price plus X. You don't know the base, X. What is the final price here? That was 1,000 after setting it. X and all the integers. Anyways, you got the point where I explained you 1,100, that's enough. Here it is minus 42, it becomes plus 42. Now coming to the number 14, read number 14 please. What values, please read it out. What values do X and Y have if X equal to 16, X bar? What can, other than 16, what can be the value of X?
Why?
When I say it's a bar, it can be plus 16 and it also can be
Minus.
minus 16. Very good. That's what. So X plus Y, it can be plus 16 and minus 16. When you combine them,
Zero.
see, I'm not writing only X plus Y. I'm not writing only X plus Y. Don't forget, I have to write even the bar. I have to even make that bar to show that it can be plus and it can be minus.
Minus.
And when it can be minus, I will tell you. Now, who will say me that when can I get the 0? X plus Y, when can I get it at 0? See, both are 16. When can I get 0? That one has to be plus,
Negative and one positive.
one has to be plus 16 and the other has to be minus.
Minus 16.
And one I will change it to minus 16. Then only I will get it as 0. They must be
Zero.
opposite because when they are combined, they equal to 0. That's why you're changing.
Yeah.
When X and Y are combined, they equal to 0. Explain your reasoning. Because when one of the sign is opposite, they give you 0.
Zero.
Yes. Clear? Very, very simple
Yes.
lesson, girls. We'll finish it today very quickly. Now, the last one. Three friends all live on the same street that runs west to east. Okay? The street runs from west to east, and they live in the same, they live on the same street. Now, Beth Lee lives 5 blocks from Anne. 5 blocks from Anne. Carl lives 2 blocks from Beth. Okay, let us draw first the number line. Here. Okay. Let's say it's a 0. Or if we are using this one, let us say this is 0, 1, 2, or start 0 from here. Okay. Make the number line, girls.
Mister, you have to do the line.
Don't write anything. I think tomorrow your books will be there, right? Inshallah. Well, I informed your parents that come and collect.
Today, Miss,
Inshallah, inshallah. What time?
at 10 to 11.
Okay.
What you missed? What? We're done.
Don't do anything. See here. No. See here. This question I have to solve. I'm just making the number line. 1. Okay. Anyways, I will just show you from. Imagine this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the left side what it will be? It will be -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay. Now, Beth lives 5 blocks from Anne. Carl lives 2 blocks from Beth. If the street is represented by a number line on Anne's house is located 0. Anne's house is located at 0. All right, where is it? Anne's house? At 0.
At 0.
Lives 5 blocks from Anne. Beth lives 5 blocks on Anne. First of all, they told you that Anne is at 0. And if the street is represented by a number line and Anne house is located at 0, what are the possible locations for Carl's house? From Beth, she states, okay, assume that each unit on the number line represents 1 block. Clear?
5.
So it is
5. 5.
First of all, if I add 5 plus 2, I add 5 plus 2, how much it is?
7.
Just give me 1 second. I will talk to Ms. Wada here. Okay, miss. Okay, girls, listen. You will have your science at 1 o'clock and you will have your IT at 12 o'clock, okay?
No,
Okay, girls?
I don't get it yet, Miss.
Your next class was supposed to be science. It will be at 1 o'clock, 1:25. And your IT class will be at 12. Is it okay?
Now we're going to have IT.
Yes, after this you will have IT.
After IT, then the class, then science.
Yes, understood?
Okay, sorry, I was kind of confused.
Understood or no? Because I have some work here. So I need to finish with that and then come back to you all. So meanwhile,
Yeah,
IT teacher will
yeah, I understand.
take the class. Hmm.
Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
And I'm sure Miss Wella will inform you on the group. Give me 1 minute, girls.
Yeah.
Okay. Data. Miss. Miss. Miss.
1 minute, dear, 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute.
Okay.
That what can be possible answers, girls? Because they did not give you, they just told you Anne house is at 0. And Carl lives 2 blocks from Beth. Beth lives 5 blocks from Anne. If Beth lives 5 blocks from Anne, the number line, it can represent 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Beth house can be here. It can be even be here. What, -5.
Yeah.
Am I correct? Because they did not say you to the right or to the west.
Yeah. Or
It can be -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. There are 2 possible answers here. But what is the question asked? Carl lives 2 blocks from Beth. Means Carl is somewhere 2, 1, 2. Somewhere -7. Or over here -7. 1, 2. Am I correct?
yes.
So Carl house, but don't you think so? If I say 2 blocks, this was 5 was, you were supposing that this is whose house? Beth. And in the question they said, Carl lived 2 blocks from Beth. So Carl's house can be -7. Sorry, here it is +7. I'm sorry. Here it is -7. And here it is +7. It can be 2 blocks this side or 2 blocks this side. That means it can be, come back, 5, 4, 2. The house can be here too. Carl house can be here. Sorry, it's not 2. 5, 4, 3. Just a second. Please don't get confused. Let me just again write it properly here with this. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So again, 0 is the Anne house. You go forward 5 blocks, you can get Beth house. From Beth house, they are asking you to move 2 blocks. So I moved 2 blocks, but they did not say you more or less to the right or left. So plus, either it can be +7 or it can be +3. When you come back here to -5, if you go, it can be -7 or it can be -3. It can be -7 or it can be -3. So what are your possible answers for your Carl's house, girls? For Carl house, what is the possible answers?
Plus 3 or minus 3.
Very good. Plus 3 or minus 3. And what else?
And 5 and minus.
Do you want me to explain once again?
That is it.
Miss, so Anne's house is minus 3 or plus 3.
Do you want me to explain once again or you got it?
I
Correct.
got it.
It is plus 3 or minus 3. Also minus 7 and plus 7 because
Yeah.
you don't know whether it was to the right or it was to the left. From 5,
Yeah.
either when I went to the right side, it was plus 7. When I come to the left side, it is minus 7. So it could be plus 7 or minus 7. It could be plus 3 or minus 3. So you have 4 answers. Your answers could be,
Okay.
your answers could be plus 3 or,
Minus.
and
Minus
your answers
3
could
or
be
plus
plus
7
7 or
or minus 7.
minus 7.
Okay, now I get it.
Now you got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the high order thinking question. This is the most toughest question of this lesson. And I feel that it was understood by you all. Any doubts? Did you understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
Only thing is we need to read the question very slowly and do step by step. Understand it step by step. Okay?
Yes.
Now.